Good morning all of you. My name is Aniket Tiwari from class 8th. I am going to perform an activity on ignition temperature. We have glass of water, paper and candle. First we lighting the candle and we are burning the simple paper. This is easily burned. Then we are burning this wet paper. You can see this paper does not burn due to ignition temperature. The lowest temperature at which a substance catch fire is called ignition temperature. A substance that does not catch fire until its temperature is raised to ignition temperature.